Nature is the suck. I don't like nature. Ew, nature is green. Green is colorblind. I hate green. Number 2. You are loser. You are the planting of trees. Number 3. They always say the brown stem protruding from my neck is illegal. And it's just gourmet meal. Am I right, guys? 6, 7. Number 4. The sucking of my protruding neck brown stem is just so rude. Nature is horrible. Why did it make rivers? Rivers serve no purpose. No? And finally, the long-awaited number 5. I only thought of 4 ideas. I hate nature. Aw, dang it. Bah. Anyways, guys, I put so much effort into this video. I would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe. I mean, look at all that effort. I didn't even make up a 5th reason why I hated nature. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's so good. This video was amazing. You want to subscribe so hard. Enjoy the video.